welcome back to Kool 4. Before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button.
And today we are going to waterfall. To get there, we are going to be hiking.
So our grandma and grandpa are coming with us. We're at their house.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Subscribe to the tribe.
Mom, look, Remy found a seat. It is literally thundering and raining now. Let me get out of my face. Now it is hailing. You could probably hear the hail right now. Wait, are we really hiking in the hail? Okay, the hail finally stopped. It's still kind of raining though. We are pretty high up now. I'm glad the hail stopped.
Mom, can we live in that cabin?
Cabin?
No, cabin.
So we are here finally.
Right, who all has to use the
Open it. Not me.
Here you go.
Woo! When you do that,
We're bringing the metal detector so that we can find some treasure.
All right, Macy, I'll take Bryn.
Okay. He's like wrapping me around with the leash. And
Let go.
here we go.
I got him.
You do not want to know what I'm using to hold the camera up. Oh yeah, I want to try. Duck my head. Oh, it's a little.
Don't do that, Nicole. You never know.
It's so clear.
It's so cute.
Remy, lick it. He's like chugging
Thirsty
it.
after?
You just a little bit.
Did you find anything?
Not yet.
Whoa! A bridge.
There's another bridge. And there's another bridge.
Oh, wait. Another bridge. Oh, walking over the other bridge.
I'm so excited.
Mom, I am the sun.
What was that? It beeped.
Oh, it was one of the nails.
Oh.
Oh, we made it.
Oh. We made it at the waterfall.
We can go to another one. There's some more. What happened? She wants to keep going.
I know, I can't figure out. Mom, all this water is from the snow that melts.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna. Whoa! How did Micah get up here? Look at Micah. He's like way over there.
Dun 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 dun.
Lennon slipped and fell on one of these rocks somewhere. Like that yellow flower right there, she hit right next to that rock.
This is the bigger one right here, but I don't know.
thinking. That's what I think she did.
Oh, your shoe is broken.
Her shoe's broken? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, she busted her shoe. Wait, Lennon,
Where?
where is it? Here, you want to show them?
Well.
Here, lift your arm up so you can
That's
show
all.
them. Tell them what happened.
Shopping for new shoes.
Lennon, tell them what happened.
Hold on, honey. She's still crying. Right there where the flat on it. Yeah, I can move my shoe. You can sit right here. He's flat. Remy, we're not done.
That's so good. Alright, we are now leaving the waterfall and at the bridge. We might do some more hiking, but if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.